Is it not unbelievable? With 2025 quickly approaching, Amazon shelves are brimming with cutting-edge devices that you may not have realized you needed, but we assure you that you will want them. The tech industry is developing at a quicker rate than ever before. Amazon has everything, from futuristic gadgets that will make you feel as though you're living in the year 3000 to smart home appliances that make life easier. We're delving into the top 10 essential devices of 2025 today, which will enhance your daily routine, delight your tech-savvy spirit, and, of course, make your house smarter and more stylish than before. The problem is that these are more than simply cool gadgets. We're talking about true innovation, usefulness, and ease of use that will transform your lifestyle, workplace, and leisure time. Therefore, you're in the ideal place if you've been wanting to remain on top of trends and upgrade your house with some cutting-edge technology. Jet setting in 2025? These 10 Amazon gadgets will make your travels smarter, comfier, and epic. From portable projectors to smart sunglasses, let's unpack the future. Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni. Let's conclude with the Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni, a device that seems almost too amazing to be true. This smart, self-charging cleaning behemoth is not your typical robot vacuum. It includes sophisticated navigation technology that makes sure it avoids obstructions and effectively cleans every area of your house, in addition to precisely vacuuming and mopping your floors. The Deebot X1 Omni is a hands-free cleaning solution that can be operated via voice commands or an app. It can even empty its dustbin on its own. Since no robot is flawless, even though it's excellent at keeping things tidy, it might not be able to handle difficult messes or thoroughly clean carpets. Sekiro Smart Toothbrush. With the Sekiro Smart Toothbrush, dental care is also undergoing a high-tech transformation in 2025. This toothbrush tracks your brushing habits and provides you with real-time feedback, all while properly cleaning your teeth thanks to its innovative design and state-of-the-art technology. Using an app, you can keep track of how long you've been brushing, see how efficient you are, and get technique advice. To prevent overbrushing and gum damage, the Sekiro toothbrush even has sophisticated pressure sensors. The Sekiro is a fantastic choice for anyone wishing to improve their oral hygiene regimen, even though it may be a little more sophisticated than your typical toothbrush. SmartMe Air Purifier. Particularly in the modern world, clean air is vital, and the SmartMe Air Purifier makes sure that you and your family can breathe easier. Your home air quality will be greatly enhanced by this purifier's superior filtering technology, which is designed to eliminate allergens, dust, pet dander, and even dangerous pollutants. Because it can easily cover up to 1,000 square feet, the SmartMe Air Purifier is ideal for homes, workplaces, and even huge locations. It's also smart-enabled, so you can use your phone to manage it, set it to run at particular times, and even keep an eye on the air quality in real time. Logitech StreamCam. In 2025, the Logitech StreamCam will be essential for everyone who regularly participates in video chats or creates content. Your films will look as professional as possible because to its pristine 1080p resolution at 60 frames per second. With its brilliant color reproduction and superb lighting capabilities, the StreamCam will make you appear sharp and clear whether you're making YouTube videos, broadcasting on Twitch, or simply taking a Zoom call. Even if you move around a lot, you'll always be in the limelight thanks to the automatic framing and focus capabilities. Tobii Smart Steamer. The Tobii Smart Steamer is the best option for those of us who detest the inconvenience of ironing. This device's strong, steaming powers and small, portable design will eliminate wrinkles from clothing. Without putting your fabric at risk of burning, the Tobii Smart Steamer can remove wrinkles from your garments in only a few minutes when you hang them on a hanger. It's ideal for people who simply don't have time to take out the ironing board or for last-minute touch-ups before meeting. However, the Tobii is not made for heavy-duty ironing, even though it works well for gentle steaming. Betty 2 Smart Alarm Clock. It can be difficult to get out of bed in the morning, but the Betty 2 Smart Alarm Clock can make it a little bit easier and, dare we say it, fun. With its many features, this next-generation alarm clock makes it easy to start your day. It does more than just wake you up with a beep. With features like light therapy that mimics a real sunrise and the ability to play your favorite music or the news, this device is made to help you start the day gently. Additionally, it is compatible with smart home appliances, so you can use the Betty 2 to manage your coffee maker, lights, and thermostat. Even though the Betty 2 has a ton of functions, it may take some time to adjust to all of the customizing possibilities. But for anyone who detests the sound of a screaming alarm, after you've configured it to your preference, it's a real game changer. Keurig K Elite Coffee Maker. The Keurig K Elite Coffee Maker is a 2025 game changer for coffee aficionados. Keurig's convenience is well known, but this updated model goes above and beyond. This coffee maker is ideal for people who want a quick, delectable cup of coffee in the morning because of its elegant design, powerful brew settings, and adjustable features. The K Elite has everything, regardless of your preference for traditional beverages or something a little more daring. Hey, iced coffee. Even if you enjoy a stronger cup of coffee in the morning, the choice for an extra strong brew guarantees that you will get a strong cup. This machine has the potential to be a bit of a coffee snob, but great power also comes with great responsibility. Bose Frames Audio Sunglasses. Bose Audio frames, the ultimate hybrid device that blends style and functionality, are sunglasses. In addition to shielding your eyes from the sun, these fashionable sunglasses have built-in speakers that play music of the highest caliber straight into your ears. No, really. You never need to use conventional headphones to listen to music, make calls, or even follow GPS directions. Whether you're jogging, sitting at a cafe, or strolling through a sunny park, the frames are made with comfort in mind, and the sound quality is surprisingly deep. However, don't be fooled by its elegant appearance. These sunglasses aren't your typical ones. VAVA 4K Ultra HD Projector. You will appreciate the enchantment of a projector if you enjoy entertainment of the cinematic caliber. Not just any projector, though. The VAVA 4K Ultra HD Projector is a veritable home theater technology masterpiece. Imagine transforming any empty wall into a massive screen with breathtaking 4K clarity and sound effects. With a VAVA projector, you can enjoy a top-notch watching experience in your backyard or living room. What's the best part? Because of its ultra-short throw technology, you can position it just a few inches from a wall, and it will project a huge image without distortion. Because of this, it is perfect for compact areas where conventional projectors would need a lot of space. Dre Isley Smart Drink Dispenser. Has the idea of having a completely automated drink station at home ever crossed your mind? With a Dre Isley Smart Drink Dispenser, you can now. This stylish device transforms how we host and enjoy our favorite beverages. Imagine a system that allows you to choose the cocktail or drink mix of your choice, and in just a few seconds, it will dispense the precise amount you require, blended to perfection and ready for consumption. The Dre Isley Dispenser is perfect for entertaining guests or simply relaxing after a hard day. This gadget is a flexible addition to any home because it delivers a variety of non-alcoholic drinks in addition to cocktails. These 10 Amazon gadgets make 2025 travel smarter and more fun. From spotless rooms to perfect cocktails, pack these for your next adventure. Stay tech-savvy and travel bold.